So despite the fact that Powell at every turn took the opportunity to tell people that he was hawkish and worried about inflation, um, the market ripped. So that's really telling me that it's got a lot of priced in it. And if we look at it, we held this trend. This is actually a weekly, I believe we're looking at. We held this trend. We have 2 more days, but we could have a very strong weekly close. And we're just bouncing off the 23% on the long move retracement, which means we could move up and make it another top. It could be a double top and turn around. On the daily, what the daily's telling me, which is more important, um, what's it really telling me? We're in consolidation. That's all it's really telling me. It's going to hit a little resistance up at the 363 mark. I'm not convinced, or I'm not happy until we break the high of 44.1678. I'm sure today got a lot of people by surprise when we broke that low and started closing that gap. I know people were looking at that as a bearish trade. I didn't get involved because, with the Fed speaking, anything could happen, and that's what just happened. Anything happened. We may very well move up to the 44.51 mark. That'd be cool. I wouldn't mind it. I wouldn't mind it at all. So just keep your eye on it. I mean, very strong day. People are going to want to get involved with that day tomorrow. Let's see if it sticks. That's all I gotta say, son. Let's see if it sticks. Yo, look at the VIX. The VIX tanked. Tanked. That's encouraging. That's encouraging. Usually, when you get this kind of movement on the VIX, we're ready for a sustained move up on the markets. Yo, AMC to the moon. Where's my BTC? There it is under B. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Nothing. We're just easing around in that pennant. Just easing around. I like that though, man. It's building a good foundation. If this thing breaks to the upside, you can have a lot of confidence in that move to the upside. It's got a good foundation below it. And the commodities are doing what we said the commodities would be doing. They'll be pulling back, so we'll just leave all that alone. All right, that's it, man. That's it. It's a wrap. And tomorrow I'll have out the morning market meeting, and at the end of the day, the EOD. My free folk partners were just trying a little something. So have a good night and good luck trading.